How to fix the Reels video option not showing on Facebook. If I open up the Facebook on my device, you'll get to see there is no video option or the Reels option at the top that I can tap and watch the video. If you're experiencing the same problem, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is just go ahead and open up the Facebook, and from the Facebook homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And once you're here inside your Facebook profile, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and then scroll down and go and tap on the settings and privacy, and then go and tap on the settings option here. Now once you're here inside the Facebook settings and privacy, all you have to just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the option called tab bar. Just need to get into this one and then go and tap on customize the bar, and inside the customize the bar, now we'll get to see that Reels option is actually in the hidden section. Now if you want to unhide, you just need to tap on this hidden option beside that one and then simply go and tap on pin or auto. So you just need to select the pin from here. Now once you do that, this will get into the pin section. Now you're pretty much good to go. You just need to get back to the home page, or you just need to refresh the page a little bit and you'll get to see the Reels option is back. So if I tap on this, you'll get to see the Reels is started showing, and this is how we can actually enable the Reels section on your Facebook account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.